Well, I'm back with a new series of digital dice towers. These are based on basically an old Heathkit HD-16 code oscillator. These date back to the 1960s and were used by ham operators to practice their Morse code. But I've repurposed and retrofitted these old cases to be new digital dice towers. This one I might have seen before. Works just like the other ones I've demonstrated. You can set the dice count, the dice type, and in this case it's already set when you power it up to 1d20. We're going to go ahead and roll that saving throw for a fireball.
1d20. 7.
7. Ooh, that's going to be a fail. So we'll come over here to this guy. This one is got a different display. This one's based on the old HP bubble 7-segment LEDs that were popular in watches and calculators in the early 70s. In the case of this one, go ahead and power it up. It powers up quietly. Given the tiny display, this one has a large screen option here to move into place. And so we saw that powered up in 1d20 mode, but we're going to need to do 8d6 to check our damage. So 8d6.
8d6. 20.
For 20 damage. Ooh, that hurt a little bit. So over here to the last one, you might want to go ahead and heal up a little bit with a greater healing potion. This one doesn't have a display at all. In fact, it was designed for a vision impaired gamer. And it's got a couple other features. Let's go ahead and roll that
6d4.
6d4
17.
for 17. This one has a couple other features, actually. It also has, I know some players like to use exploding dice. There's some other games, and then even in D&D, I think some people have been using it lately. Exploding dice basically lets you re-roll all of your crit die to add more. So you can turn that feature on. And then there's also the headphones here. This one has it as well. When you, if you are, for instance, a dungeon master and you don't want all of your players listening in on your die rolls, you want to keep those secret behind the DM screen, you can plug that in, and obviously this one has a single earbud, and roll your die rolls. Oh, that one didn't hit any crits. Here, let's try it one more time. For 30. Cool.